As a wheelchair user, I'm always looking for homes that truly get accessibility right. So when Nandi Housing invited me to experience their latest project, Nandi Miraki, I was curious to see whether this would actually live up to that claim. Because accessible is a word that gets used very loosely. Hi, I'm Virali Modi, a wheelchair using model based in Bangalore, and today I'm visiting Nandi Miraki to see how well these homes actually work in real life. As I enter the property, the first thing I notice is the approach, which has been done well with a comfortable incline that doesn't feel forced or overly steep. There's tactile paving along the pathways that genuinely helps with navigation. And the lifts, they're spacious, there's enough room to enter, move, and turn without any difficulty, which already makes a strong first impression. Getting into the apartment is seamless, with no steps or barriers to navigate, and that immediately sets the tone for what to expect inside. There's enough space to move around and turn comfortably without having to constantly adjust or plan every movement. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed, so everything I need is accessible and within easy reach. The switches are placed within reach, and the anti-slip flooring adds a level of safety that makes a noticeable difference in everyday living. The bathrooms are usually where most homes fall short. But here, there is enough space to move comfortably, which is something that shouldn't feel like a luxury, but often does. The balcony entrance and all doorways are designed without thresholds for seamless accessibility. What I also appreciate is that this kind of design doesn't just benefit someone like me. Whether you're carrying a baby, pushing a stroller, supporting an older parent, or just recovering from an injury, these design choices make everyday life easier for everyone. Nandi Housing has been building homes in Bangalore for over 4 decades. And what stands out here is that they have worked with accessibility consultants from the very beginning of the project. This means that accessibility hasn't been added in later as an afterthought, but has been integrated into the design from the start. What I really like is that these homes are not treated differently. They are not labeled, they are not priced separately, and they are simply part of the larger community, which is exactly how it should be. Nandi Miraki feels like a community that has been designed to work for everyone. And that's something you can truly understand only when you experience it for yourself. So don't just take my word for it. Schedule a site visit and see it firsthand.